So it's day release for the Apple Watch Series 10. We have it here. Let's get it open. It's come in the mail. We've got a nice little pull tab. Boom, off to the side. Crack it open, the side box. And there it is. Apple Watch. Shook that out of the way. And this is the packaging it's come in. It's got my details down there of what the watch I got. And let's open it up. So it just opens like that. And inside we have this little Apple Watch thing. I'm going to say like Series 10 or something on the top, but it's nicely embossed. And then here we are, the strap I got, and this is the 46mm Series 10. Let's open the strap first. This is one of the new colours for this year, and a little pull tab on the side. Ooh, not as good as the old pull tabs. And opens up just like so. And here it is. Bit of instruction paper, tells you how to put it on. And there it is. How do we get it out? Take it, we pull that, and it come out. Oop. Come on. There we go. Held in that way. And there we are. Oh. I ripped that a bit. That feels nice. I've never had one of these. I think it's pronounced like the Maltese strap. Like the metal magnetic one. Or Milanese loop. But we'll put that off to the side. And yeah, it's kind of a bit see-through. I don't know if it comes up on camera. But let's get the watch itself open. Two little straps here to pull open. What-ah. And we're in. Oh. There we are. Let's open it up and see. Hello. Now in top, what do we get inside? Let's have a look at the goodies before we open the watch. And there it is, a USB-C Apple Watch charger, which would be a nice addition. I have the Series 5 on currently, and that come with the obviously standard USB charger, but we'll be swapping that out. Put all that over there. Whoop. Now that hit the table. Just some more paperwork. I don't think you actually get any Apple stickers with this, but we'll put that over there. And there it is, the 46mm. There we are. Oh. Oh, it's like a hard paper. I thought it was like a felty material. But there it is. What side do we put the strap on? It did give instructions, but so this is the natural. I think it's called natural aluminum. It looks a bit more goldy online than it does here. And there we are. It's nicely locked in. Let's turn it on and see. It's a lot bigger. Obviously, this is the 46. I currently have the 45, the 40mm 5. Has it got any charge in it? Oh, and there it is. I will make a video about like what I think my first week or so with the Series 10. Overall, up to now, it feels nice. It's a bit weighty, a bit heavier than I thought it would be for thinner. I don't know if it's too much thinner than the 5. And there we are. It's wanting us to connect it to the iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe for that review in like a week or so.